Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Evan. In today's video, I'm going to break down the two trades that I took today. One being a loser for negative 10% and one being a winner for positive 29%. And real quick, I'll show you guys exactly how I took those trades. As you can see on my screen, we have QQQ pulled up on the 1 minute time frame. I had two levels marked out for today. 405.6 level to the upside. As you can see, we had multiple touches around this area, a rejection right there, and then 404.2 to the downside. Multiple touches right here, 1, 2, 3 to the downside, a few over here. So with that being said, overall market direction today was up. So with the direction being up, I was looking for an uptrend entry. The first one that I entered, not right off the bat, so my bias somewhat changed during the day. Once we had this rejection at this 405.6 level, I thought we might be able to see at least a pullback to this moving average. My first entry was this red arrow right here on puts. So we ended up bouncing off the 20 EMA, right? I had my stop loss as a break back above the 405.6 level. We ended up pushing down, not quite making it to that moving average. Unfortunately, it ended up pushing back up and I got out for a 10% loss on that one. That one was a very frustrating trade because we had all these wicks to the upside, as you could see, but we never made progress to the downside. We normally will make progress to the downside once we see consistent rejections to the upside, but we never made that, so we got out for a small 10% loss. Shortly after that, we ended up pushing back up, and I saw momentum was heading towards the upside for NASDAQ and QQQ. So we ended up pushing back up, moving above 405.6, that level right here. And obviously, as you can see, it's respecting it right now at 10:43 a.m. So it's still respecting that level as we speak right now. So we can see it broke above here. We had a nice candle right back down. And as soon as we started to turn green on this candle is when I entered, when we found support at that 405.6 level paired up with the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA right there. I entered a call right here. We ended up pushing up aggressively, beautiful play, and we ended up pulling back a little bit. Now my goal was to break above 406 and head to about 406.3 or 406.2. We didn't quite get that. I know we can see that these wicks were up here, but as soon as these wicks went up, they came back down. We ended up pulling back, and I was at break even at this point. Once price respected the 45-day EMA, I know I was good to be still in the trade. If it broke below it and continued downwards, I would have stopped out on the trade. In this case, we ended up finding support there and pushing back up, finally hitting that 406.3 target, and I locked in 29% on this trade. So obviously, if you guys don't know, the red arrows are my entries, the purple arrows are my exits. So those are the two trades that I took today. The first one being a 10% loss. We didn't quite reach the profit target of this moving average down here, and it ended up reversing on us. And the second one being a 29% gain as we pull back into this 9 EMA paired up with this key level for our entry. Two convictions, technically three convictions right there with the 20 EMA as well. And then we ended up pushing up to the target, or pushing up, pulling back, and then hitting the target finally for the take profit on that one. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. And if you all haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and like this video for more videos like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.